While taking good care of your body may help you grow taller, your height is mostly determined by your genetics. Once your growth plates are fused together, you will stop growing taller, which usually happens between the ages of 14 and 20. If you're still growing, good nutrition and a healthy lifestyle may help you get taller. Additionally, you might be able to increase your height by about 0.5 to 2 inches by stretching out your spine daily. Stretching to reach your full height. Like the other stretches, this elongates your spine so you can reach your full height. Lie down and stretch out with both arms over your head. Lie down on your back on an exercise mat or the floor. Reach your arms over your head and extend them as far as you can. At the same time, stretch your legs out as far as they'll go. Hold your stretch for 10 seconds, then relax. This will help elongate your spine so it's not compressed. While it won't make your skeleton grow, it can increase your height by about 1 to 3 inches by decompressing your spine. Repeat the exercise daily to maintain your results. Do upper body twists while lying down on your back. Lie down on the floor or an exercise mat. Stretch out your body, then lift your arms perpendicular to your chest. Press your palms together. Then slowly lower your arms about 45 degrees to the left to twist your upper body. Hold for 2-3 seconds, then rotate to the other side. Continue to rotate back and forth for 5 times on each side. Do this stretch daily to keep your spine elongated. Lie down, reach above your head, and lift your hips off the floor. Lie down on your exercise mat or the floor, then extend your arms up over your head with your palms pressed together. Next, bend your knees and push the soles of your feet together. Then, press your feet and upper back into the floor to lift your hips off the floor and extend your spine. Hold for 10 seconds, then release down to the floor. Repeat this exercise daily to maintain your full height. This stretch will help elongate your spine by decompressing it. Lie on your stomach and extend your arms and legs. Turn over onto your stomach, then extend your arms and legs as far as you can. Slowly lift your arms and legs to arch your back. Hold for 10 seconds, then exhale to bring your arms and legs back to the floor. Repeat this stretch daily to see consistent results.